Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to correct lip sync issues in Bluetooth headphones on your DREAME TV. So the easiest way to resolve this issue is by simply repairing your Bluetooth headphones with your TV, and it's the first step that we're gonna do. So press the gear button on your remote control, then scroll down to Bluetooth. Open Bluetooth menu, select your Bluetooth headphones and select Forget, select Yes. Then, after your TV forgot your headphones, let's select Pair Accessory once again to reconnect them with the TV. Make sure that your Bluetooth headphones are in pairing mode right now and select them on the list and confirm the connection. Okay, and right now check if the problem is resolved. And if not, we still have one sure solution for this. So first of all, just press the gear button and open quick settings menu, then go to all settings, then select picture and sound. Here let's go to audio output, and in audio output navigate down to Bluetooth delay and adjust the delay so it matches the sound to the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.